All right, students, thanks for tuning in. Let's do a review of some basic chemistry for the APES test. So first we'll talk about photosynthesis. And this is what is done by all producers, including plants and algae. And the chemical reaction for that is that they take CO2 from the air and they combine it with water to form sugar, which is C6H12O6. And this sugar can then go on to form more complex sugars, things like cellulose, which is a type of starch material. And that's what leaves are made out of, or woody matter. Okay, so let's talk about respiration then. Respiration, of course, is what we do as consumers. And it's the opposite process. So in that, we take the sugar, C6H12O6, and our body ends up converting it into CO2, which we exhale, and H2O. When we eat other foods like proteins or fats, we get energy from those too. Our body ultimately converts those molecules into sugar molecules, which is what our cells use. Okay, so when we go take a look at this equation on the top for photosynthesis, respiration is just the opposite of that. There's respiration. What happens if you have sugars that are not being consumed but decomposed by anaerobic? So we should recognize that what we do is called aerobic respiration. And let's use black for that. So in aerobic respiration, we give off CO2, and that's in the presence of O2. When you have anaerobic decomposition, you get methane produced, CH4. Okay, and that of course is in the absence of oxygen, so O2 when that is not present.